Hey everyone, Leo here. I already received the first feedback, and the most popular question was, why do I trade on this platform? So, I decided to explain this. And if you still have any questions or curious about my trading, feel free to message me on Telegram. When I first got interested in trading and was thinking where to start, I watched many platform reviews, tested them, tried everything myself. But I ended up choosing Pocket option, because it was the most convenient choice for me, as well as the most reliable. Now, let me explain in more detail why it's so reliable. They've been operating since 2017 and have survived several crises, which speaks to the stability of the platform. Their monthly turnover exceeds $500 million, which is a serious figure, don't you think? The platform operates in over 95 countries, including the US and Europe. This already gives us a strong argument in favor of its legality and trustworthiness. So for now, I'll stick with them. Maybe something will change in the future, but at the moment, Pocket option is top on the market. Let's move on to the main thing. And today I'm once again trading with my strategy, which you already know very well. If you're new to the channel, don't worry. I'll explain everything as we go, even beginners will understand. Let's make some money. So, I'm starting by adding my indicators RSI set to a period of 10 and super trend dialed in at 12 and 5. It's the right time for a long position. We see that RSI has touched the 30 zone and the super trend is showing an upward trend. The line also touched the lower bound of the super trend, which could indicate a local bounce, so I'm trying to catch this moment and get profit. The first trade closes in profit of $1,870. A nice bounce, everything works according to the strategy. Both indicators gave me an entry signal and I'm following the plan. Opening a short, we can see that super trend is signaling the beginning of a corrective move. RSI is near the 50 zone, but there is room for a downward movement, so the likelihood of a drop remains high. The trade's conclusion marked a $1,880 profit. Clear price reaction. Friends, I'm not just making videos. I'm actually looking for traders to bring into my team and entrust with capital to manage. There are only a few spots left for people I will entrust with capital management. So if you're interested, let me know. In the meantime, while I'm looking for the next trade, feel free to send me a request to join my Telegram group. I'm opening a long trade. The indicator has reached the 30 zone, but dropped below 50 on the RSI. Looking at the historical data, we can see a similar situation where the price didn't reach 30, but still showed growth, so I'm expecting a bounce. The correction has happened. RSI has cleared up, the trend has turned bullish, and we could see a solid upward move. The price is reacting and we can see the movement is confirming. I'll try to enter another long position, as the indicator still suggests further upward potential. That trade wrapped up with $1,830 profit. Entering with the trend really made the difference. Now I'm looking for the next entry. Here I'm opening a sell trade. Super trend signals the beginning of a correction. We've reached the 50 zone, previously bouncing off the 30 level. And now the 50 zone could act a resistance level, from which I expect the continuation of the corrective move. The order closes at break even. The correction is ongoing, so I'll look for a new entry point. I'll try to enter a trade for a downward move. The RSI has risen above 50, but the overall trend is downward, which is confirmed by super trend. I'm expecting a local correction. RSI to unload towards the 30 zone and further decline. Despite the high volatility, the trade closed with a profit of $1,880. $870. Wrapping up the trading session for today. In total, I made 6 trades, one of which was closed without a loss, and the rest were in profit. We can summarize that today we've earned over $4,000. I believe this is a great result. If you're interested in similar profitable trades, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I post new daily signals and share glimpses of my life. We are growing every day. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, so you don't miss new strategies. Leave your feedback in the comments. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. See you soon, friends!